Hi friends, welcome back to Adishi Family Vlogs. So in this video we will discuss about conditionals. So let's start. Conditionals describe the result of a certain condition. Conditionals are divided into four main types. They are zero conditional sentences, first conditional sentences, second conditional sentences, and third conditional sentences. So first we will discuss about zero conditional sentences. A zero conditional is one which refers to a general truth. It denotes a particular thing or action always results in the other. Example, first one, babies cry when they are hungry and sick. Second one, if you don't exercise, you gain weight. Second one, first conditional sentences. First conditional sentences are those sentences that express which the end result would be the one to most likely happen. Example, if you achieve your goal. Second one, if you take better. Third one, second conditional sentences. Second conditional sentences are sentences in which hypothetical situations or unrealistic events which are not likely to ever happen are mentioned. Example, first one, if I had a time travel machine, I could go back to my past and change a few things. Second one, if I own the lottery, I would buy all the famous supercars. Fourth one, third conditional sentences. Third conditional sentences express alternate circumstances in the present. Example, if I had been there, I would surely help you in one way or another. Second one, if the teacher had informed us earlier, we could finish it in time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel and comment below that you like this video or not. Thank you.